This is the Nissan ARIYA, Nissan's most innovative thinking to date.
Bold design, a lounge-like interior, next-gen connectivity, and a driving experience that's both relaxing and thrilling. It's a fully electric crossover as you've never seen it before, and we get to explore it together.
Now, the first thing you'll see is what Nissan calls timeless Japanese futurism. It's simple, yet powerfully modern.
See that linear horizontal flow that cuts through the entire vehicle? There's a fluidity and a symmetry that you'll find throughout. And in the front, you'll find a work of art inspired by the Japanese kumiko style of woodwork, made modern. That detail continues illuminating in ARIYA's signature light blades and three-dimensional taillights. And you'll find more of it inside. First off, it's not about what you see, it's about what you don't. No controls on the dash, and the best part, no large hump on the floor.
Now look at this. ARIYA comes alive the instant you press the start button.
See how the buttons illuminate and the surfaces activate. And remember the kumiko pattern in front? Well, it flows throughout the interior as well.
Now let's talk lighting a bit more. With ARIYA, it's more than setting a mood. It's actually telling you something.
White means manual normal driving. Turn on ProPILOT Assist 2.0, the light turns green, and you can relax your feet. And when it turns blue, hands-off driving assistance is enabled.
And see this? Those illuminated buttons we saw earlier also communicate to you.
Give them a push, and you can actually feel it push back, just like those haptic buttons on your mobile devices.
EVs are quiet, but ARIYA has some additional smart solutions to achieve a sense of silence. ARIYA has special laminated glass that absorbs sound, helping to create an environment ideal for music, phone calls, and conversations. And when it comes to conversation, you can even have one with ARIYA. Voice control is designed to let you speak naturally.
Like this. Hello, Nissan. Set the temperature to 72 degrees.
And just like that, you find your comfort zone. But voice control doesn't stop there.
With available Alexa integration, you can activate smart home features. Alexa, open the garage. Alexa, turn on my dining room lights.
Alexa, play Road Trip Rock playlist.
Cool, huh?
Want to see something else cool?
A simple push of a button slides the entire console back and forth. And check this out, a dash tray that emerges at your command.
Instant mobile office, complete with remote capabilities. Now let's have a look in the back. Because ARIYA's battery sits low in the chassis, you have a flat floor for a second row, with more than enough space and comfort for 5 to have a lounge all to themselves. Got a family adventure in mind? ARIYA has more than enough space for all your suitcases and backpacks, and still have room for souvenirs.
Second row, and boom, you have more than twice the space ready to go for something massive that needs moving, or to head to the mountains for a weekend ride.
But this space also comes with a few hidden tricks.
ARIYA features Nissan's divide and hide cargo system. Need to be ready for your daily adventure? Or secure a few oddball items? Done.
A sense of serenity, an innovative interior, and detailed design, ARIYA is more than a fully electric crossover. It's a force of wonder.